What's up, everybody? It's Bobby here at ThunderMax Tech Support. Today, we're going to be talking about gear indicator and issues you may have and how to solve it. All right, so gear indicator. What are some reasons why your gear indicator may not be presenting the right gear? One of the most common things is you might have your speedo cal entered wrong in basic settings. So make sure that you go into the module configuration, basic settings, check the speedo cal, make sure it's correct. The other thing is maybe you've done a different wheel or tire size on your bike. That'll throw off both your speedo and your gear indicator as well. Trikes, they require a certain gear ratio and certain speedo cal. So make sure all that stuff is correct in basic settings before you go freaking out like your gear indicator is not right. Maybe something as simple as basic settings. Another instance is maybe you did a gear change inside the primary and at the rear wheel. So that's going to throw off again your speedo, your gear ratio, and in effect, it's going to change your gear indicator as well. It's going to be displaying the incorrect gear. You may be clicked into second, but it's showing third. So we're going to go over some tips, some tricks, and some documents on how to get this corrected. Okay, so you went into basic settings, you check your speedo cal, and your speedo cal is correct, but your gear indicator is still displaying the wrong gear. So the easiest way for me to tell you how to fix this is for you to go into the software, and you're going to click on TMax troubleshooting, where we have a lot of troubleshooting documents for you. Scroll down to speedometer calibration 6th gear / gear indicator, then scroll over to 6th gear indicator settings. So what's going to happen is a document is going to pop up, and it's going to start off by going over some of the basic stuff that I already went over with you, making sure that your speedo cal is correct. If it's not, correct that first, and then we go into another series of explanations on how to get your gear indicator to work. Now, I will tell you, in order to do this, you are going to either need a dyno, or you're going to need a passenger with you to ride on the back, because you're going to need to figure out at speed what your final drive ratio is displaying. So rather than me going through here and reading this document for you, and that taking forever, and nobody wants to just sit here and watch me read. So do me a favor, if you're having this issue, go into the software, click TMax troubleshooting documents, scroll down, find that document, give that document a read from beginning to end, and that'll get you squared away. And if you still have any questions on what to do, contact us here at ThunderMax Tech Support. We'll walk you through it the best we can, not being there with you and the bike. Okay, so we went over some reasons as to why your gear indicator may be messed up, and we went over a couple of options on how to correct your gear indicator. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at ThunderMax Tech Support. We'll get you straightened out.